How to delete all your emails from your inbox on your Yahoo Mail? Well, that's a hard one, but it can be done. It's not the way you think of, but it will work. I have here a lot of emails. If you have a look here, it says 15k, 1500 emails. So you don't want to mark every email, then press on delete. That will take you probably next week. You'll be done. What you have to do, press this square here and make sure you press this arrow also. Then you can select all. Then you can see 134 has been selected. Now you can press delete. But sometimes you have a lot of emails like I do here, 15k, and that will not select all your emails. And you have to do the same thing. Press on delete. You have to wait for the next round and again, and this is much better than selecting each email, because that will take you ages. Unfortunately, there is not a button select all the emails from my inbox, then press on delete. That will be easy. Even for me, I have 15k. That will take me, I think, 15, worst case scenario of 20 minutes. But yeah, that's the easiest way how to delete all your emails from your inbox on your Yahoo Mail. I hope it come in handy. I hope you have a great day.